Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wagwan people, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So today is January the 7th. Me say it already, me I gonna say it again. A real boss birthday today. Vibes Cartel himself appeared strong again. Vibes Cartel. You see me? So me I hope some get to upload this on the 7th of January for true and don't upload it on the 8th. But either which way, you don't know what me I talk about. So today we have a lot of topics we talk about. But before going on the hot topics them, at the recent Global Globes Awards, Tom Hanks' son, that are Chet Hanks, I hope me I pronounce his name right. Anyway, him do this video here. I swear, everybody want them Jamaican passport. Anyway, check out that video here.
Oh my God. Big up the whole island, massive. It's your boy Chet, coming straight from the Golden Globes, you want saying? Me father Tom Hanks presenting in a what soon forward come. Big up, tune in.
So by the morning for light and him wake up, him realize say him gone viral. You see me? And people really a dig it. You know, people are laugh off 5 months. So him decide to do a next impersonation. Check this out.
Yo, big up the youth them way out of Kingston. Me wake up this morning and me see the thing turn up. Internet gone mad. Respect, you don't know. Me soon forward a yard. Booyaka, booyaka.
So at that point now people are say either this umbre really fascinated with Jamaicans or him just really a push it. And the dog did push it. I think him actually overdo it, quote unquote. Check out this next video.
Hey yo, listen! Me drop one big tune right now upon SoundCloud. Link in bio, go listen now. Big tune. Make the thing go up like 7. Up. But go listen now. Big tune. Straight.
So wanna tell me in the comment section what you think about that. You see me? You feel a way say him a impersonate Jamaican, you feel like it's cool, or you feel like him just really I go too hard, or you feel like say him a use our culture for fame gain. Because remember, you know, in the last video, him a tell people about to check out him new music on SoundCloud. So obviously him a use the Jamaican style, the Jamaican flavor for promote his music. Me never go check it out to see if it's a dancehall music or what. You see me? But just tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. So right now people, me have a song for drop, you see me? A new song. Well, not really me, no. I premiere it on the Chaddy TV. Wanna check out a song.
Good night. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Show me see rat for the menu and jump. That's why. Alright. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Alright, rat. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Alright, rat. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Alright, rat. Spicy. Spicy. Alright, spicy. Alright.
Yo, I swear, Jamaica is not a real place, yo. Not a real place at all. The people them really remix the little clippings there with the little rap mix up and all sort of something and put it in a song. Anyway, still, the person who do that goes by the name I Am Prince Angelo on Instagram. So you can go on over the page. Me I go try link it in the comment section below or in the description. You see me? So you can go on over the page, check out the work. And if you don't want, you can follow the page, which me highly recommend you to do. A bag of things them they go on with over there, someone. Them bad. You see me? But this is just how creative Jamaicans are. Spicy rat. Jaja. So apparently this Brinks truck catch a fire. I don't know how a Brinks truck fi catch a fire with millions of dollars in it. But That we are talk about now. You see me, we are talk about the bike man that drop off and everybody a laugh off of him. I don't know how he managed to drop off again right there, you know. But anything can happen at Jamaica, you know, because guess what? Jamaica is definitely not a real place. So last story we are going to talk about is Spice buying her sister a brand new car. Check it out.
So when I pull this off of you, you're going to open the gift, but you're not allowed to look sideways or whatever. I'm going to give you 3 gifts, okay? Okay. So you can't look back, but this is your gift. Look it out now. Okay, so it's here. It's a bundle here! Alright, so all the excitement right here. What do you mean all the excitement from here? Well, I really wanted here. Open your boxes right here. Yeah. All this excitement for here. For here. You can normally just put it in a box. Your gift is behind you. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday! Yo, man, esta no va a echar el capón. I'm gonna get it done. You guys say all of this are buns like here.
A bun like here? That was so funny, though.
I love it. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Watch out!
Yeah. Ben.
Yo! That's
How you feel? How you feel? Eh? Excited.
Hey, listen, Chad. Chad makes me. Yo! I press start. Let's start the picture. Oh, I'm bad. You can't stop now.
So that's it for today. Tell me what you think about in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time watching the Chaddy More TV. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And remember, one way, any other way, or the wrong way.
Good night. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Show me see rat on the menu and jump. That's why. Alright. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Alright, rat. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Alright, rat. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Alright, rat. Spicy. Rat. Spicy. Alright, rat. Spicy. Alright. Alright, rat. Spicy. Rat. Spicy. Alright, rat. Spicy. Show me see rat on the menu and jump. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Alright, rat. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat. Alright, rat. You have any spicy rat? Spicy rat.
Cause them will tell you them real. Quick for salute for me. Big up in day one, brother, them will hold it out pan the back her feet. You can't tell me what to do yet. Cause you don't know hungry feel. Frost. Yo. My brother them real. He look like say no good friend no day again. Where fuck them for come from? Fucking idiot, yeah.